welcome to our room. We've got our beautiful hydronic heated towel rail, face level storage and a beautiful mirror good enough to see yourself in. We've got our lovely vanity here. Ooh, lights inside.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Our gorgeous wall sconces. And then over here, our beautiful bath and double shower.
Without you, I'm filling up my
Look at that niche. That niche is gorgeous.
Oh, this bath is massive.
It is huge.
Wow.
And this bath is amazing. Look at this. I can really enjoy myself here. Glass of wine.
And that is our beautiful Master Ensuite this week.
This week, yes.
Welcome!
Welcome to our room.
This is our beautiful, award-winning 10-score bathroom.
It's not award-winning, we didn't win.
It is, in my eyes it is.
But you know what? They scored a 10 in this room. As you're proud of
and
it.
you know what? They deserve it.
This is our beautiful shower space.
You're literally showering under the stars.
Natural light, it's beautiful. And then we've got our beautiful mauve tiles.
This bath is actually stunning. I do love it.
And then we flick to our 1940s inspired square tiles in a contemporary take.
Yep.
Yeah, and our smart toilet to clean your bum.
They've got their toilet hidden behind a little niche again. You know, their signature, what they do for their bathrooms. They hide their toilets very well.
They are, yeah, placement is perfect.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you later. See you on the next room.
We hope you love it as much as we do. Welcome to our room. Come on in. Okay, look at this luxurious big bath under the plantation shutters. Oh, it's a good sized tub.
Have a look at the fish scales on the walls here. 2 walls right around.
Double vanity, lots of storage, 4 drawers. Velux above your head here.
Have a look at the Velux. Check out the size of this shower. Woo-hoo. Plenty of room to relax in this one, hey? One more thing, have a look at the new smart toilet. Sit on this little puppy. Look where the toilet roll holders, you don't need it because we've got a bidet.
Hey, black toilet paper too.
Huh?
Every room has a piece of Sarah. I hope you love our room just as much as we do.
Welcome to our award-winning room.
So much space. This is our beautiful stone bath down here where you can kick back and relax.
Our beautiful fluted glass shower screens. Look at the architectural features in this room.
Skylight, curved wall, tiling right up to the ceiling as far as the eyes can see.
I love the curve.
Oh yeah, the curve's amazing.
I love the skylight.
Curve's amazing.
Over here we have a handcrafted oak vanity, ceramic bowls, face level storage, yay! Where are these bowls from? I love
They're
these
nice
bowls.
too. They're beautiful.
Our beautiful his and her shower. You can fit 20 people in here.
There's so much room for activities in this shower.
You can do lunges.
Echo, echo, echo. Thank you for coming to our room.
Welcome
to our bathroom.
Our Master Ensuite. Check it out. Perfect size Master Ensuite. It's not too big. It's very practical.
It's small for a master, isn't it though?
It is small, but then, like I said, you know, like Shana said, you don't need to have a bath, and if it all works. Beautiful double shower.
I'm noticing everyone's got LEDs in their niches now. Copycat.
The vanity is absolutely stunning, which matches in with the master, the bed and the bedside tables.
I love those bases.
Really high ceiling, Velux skylights, fluted glass which lets in all natural light. It's just, honestly, in our eyes, it's the perfect Master Ensuite.
We're absolutely stoked with it, and we
love
hope
it.
you guys are as well.